Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to transfer your WhatsApp messages from one Android phone to another in 2025, step by step, without losing your chats, your media, or any kind of settings. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp mobile application on your old phone. Then you need to tap on the three dots here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to go to the settings of your device. Then scroll down and tap on chats. In your chats, you will need to just scroll down and here you will see the option of chat backup. So you need to tap on it and then tap on the backup option. Now you need to make sure that the backup is saved to your Google Drive, and also you need to confirm that your Google account is linked right here. Once this step is done, you need to simply move ahead to your new Android phone and you need to first of all sign in into it with the same Google account that you have used for the backup. Then open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for WhatsApp in your new phone. From here, you need to download and install the WhatsApp Messenger application in your device. Once done, on the home page, you need to agree to the terms and conditions and enter the same phone number that you have used on your old phone, and you will receive an OTP for verification, so you need to enter it in order to continue. Once the verification is successful, WhatsApp will automatically detect the backup from the Google Drive, and then it is going to show you a pop-up of restore button. So you need to tap on restore in order to complete the process, then tap on the next and your chat will appear as they were, including the photos, videos and the files. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more WhatsApp tips and comment below if you need any further assistance. Thanks for watching. Bye.